Great advice for earning a living from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to boost the potential revenues of any online business. Website owners have to know, though, that affiliate programs are not money fountains. Affiliate marketing only produces profits in proportion to the effort webmasters put into it. This video includes some ideas for maximizing the effects of those efforts. Properly use the meta tag. This description will show up on search engines and anywhere there's a description of your website, so make sure to be as succinct and professional as you can. Emphasize the best parts of your product or service so a person will be intrigued and click through to your site. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. To get better results from your affiliate links, use only contextual links. Pages containing contextual links are more likely to garner results from search engines. Visitors are also more likely to click links if the text around them relates to the product. Promoting a product in the text around a link can significantly encourage purchases. Make sure you're being savvy with your affiliate advertising. Simply throwing up ads at random will be a turnoff to many clients. Make sure the theme of the ads resonate with your customers, and complements the overall tone of your website. If your website is geared towards customers who are avid hunters, for example, make sure the affiliate ads that you choose are connected in some way with that content on your site. Putting together a good affiliate marketing strategy takes time, hard work, and lots of research. Put into practice the tips in this video. There are webmasters out there, lots of them, realizing healthy profits from their affiliate programs. The things these webmasters have in common are dedication and a thorough self-education in making affiliate marketing work for them. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.